Hi guys!
Hi!
I'm Marcela, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to do some basic braids. We're going to do some of them and I'm going to show you how to position your hands and some of my tips. Let's start! Okay guys, we're going to start by picking up a piece of hair from the top of the head, split it in half, and we're going to twist the hair to the right side. Now cross this strand over the other one, twist the hair to the right side, and we're going to add hair from this one. Again, twist, hold the strands, and we're going to add hair with the other hand on the other side. Twist the hair to the right side and cross the strands to the left side. Twist again, add hair to this side, and again twist to the right side, hold the strands, and add hair from this side. Twist, and cross the strands to the left side. One more time, add hair to the right side, twist the hair, hold the strands in here, add hair to the left side, and cross the right strand over the left one. We're going to keep doing the same steps over and over again until we reach the end and hold the braid with an elastic. For the second braid is a fishtail braid. We're going to split the hair in half as well. And now I'm gonna grab a tiny piece of hair from this side and cross it to the other one. Hold this strand with your thumb finger and now cross another strand from the other side. As you can see, I received the new strand always with my middle finger. In here, I'm going to start adding hair to the braid. Hold the hair with your thumb finger and now receive the new strand with the middle finger. Add hair to the braid. And again, hold the hair in here. And now cross a new strand of hair, receive it with your middle finger and add hair to the braid. Hold the strands, grab a new one, cross it over the hair, and now add a new section. One more time, hold the hair, cross a new strand to the other side, receive it with your middle finger, and add hair to the braid. As you can see, I prefer doing the braids always with my hands underneath the hair. It's so much easier. You can practice several times and you will see that it's so much easier in this way. Okay, the next one is a French braid. We're going to split the hair into 3 pieces. Now cross the right strand over the middle one. And as you can see here, I'm holding the middle strand with my middle and index finger so the strands won't join together. Hold the hair, cross the other strand over the middle one. And again in here you can see that I received the new strand with my middle finger in the right hand. Cross the right strand over the middle one and receive it with your middle finger again. In here we're going to start adding hair to the braid from this side. Hold the strands with your thumb finger, receive the new strand with your middle finger and add hair to the braid. Hold the strands, cross the first strand over the middle one and add hair to the braid from this side. One more time, hold the hair, receive the new strand with your middle finger and keep doing the same steps until you reach the end. Okay, our next one is a Dutch braid, very similar to the French braid. Split the hair into 3 equal pieces. And now we're going to cross the right strand under the middle one. From the left side, cross the strand under the middle. In here, receive the first strand, add hair to the braid, and again, hold the hair and cross the first strand from the left side under the second one. As you can see, I'm holding the strands always with my middle finger so the braid will never get loose. Cross under the middle one, add hair, add a new section of hair, and from the other side, cross under the middle one, hold the strands with your middle finger and add hair to the braid. One more time, cross under, and you can use a comb to add the hair to the braid as well. We're going to keep doing the same steps over and over again and hold the braid with an elastic at the end. Okay, your last braid is a 4-strand braid. I'm going to split the hair into 4 pieces. I'm going to place my hand underneath the hair and we're going to start by the left side, crossing the first strand under the second one and over the third one. I am always going to pick up the third strand with my left hand using my index and thumb finger, so it will be so much easier. Next, I'm going to cross the first strand from the right side over the second one, and as you can see, I always have the first strands between my fingers and they never joined. Now hold the strand and cross the third one over this one. As you can see, I receive it as well with my middle finger, and now from the left side, cross the first strand under the second one and add hair to the braid. Now cross this strand over the third one. I'm going to pick it up with my left hand, and with the right one I'm going to cross the first strand over the second one. Add hair to this strand of hair, and again hold the hair with your thumb finger, cross the third strand over this one, hold it with your middle finger, and from the left side cross the first strand under the second one. Add a small piece of hair to the braid, and now cross this strand over the third one. I'm going to pick it up with my left hand, and with the right one I'm going to cross the first strand over the second one. Add a small piece of hair to this strand, pass the third strand over this one, and again from the left side cross the first strand under the second one. Add a piece of hair to this strand, and now cross it over the third one. In here we're going to keep doing the same steps over and over again until we reach the end and hold the braid with an elastic. Okay guys, this is all for today. Hope you like this video and that you find it really useful. Let me know in the comments what you think and see you on the next video. Bye!
Bye!